Dr. M. Rekha Devi, Assistant Professor in Physics, V.V. Vanniyaperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. Today I am going to explain the most important topic in sewage and wastewater treatment and reuse, that is disinfection. Disinfection, that is a crucial role in our day-to-day life, that is used to destroy the pathogenic organisms in wastewater and also used to prevent the spread of waterborne diseases. It is also ensuring the safety of human beings and environmental health before discharge or reuse. Next, we have to see the methods of disinfection. There are two methods of disinfection are available. First one is the thermal disinfection method, that is suitable for heat resistant materials such as cloths, linen, crockery and bedpans. The next method is the chemical disinfection method, that is suitable for non-living and non-heat resistant materials such as surfaces and medical instruments. First, we have to see about the thermal disinfection method, that is used to destroy the microorganisms by using moist heat, that means hot water or steam water. These two figures shows the removing the microorganisms by using the hot water and steam by using the most important materials, that is used to control the microorganisms by using moist heat. The temperature used for this thermal disinfection method is 70 degrees Celsius, that means 158 degree Fahrenheit. That is used for typically 5 to 10 minutes timing for removing the microorganisms in by using moist heat. That is also used to kill bacteria, viruses and other pathogens, microorganisms. The next method is the chemical disinfection method, that is used for involving the different chemical agents, for example phenols, alcohols, aldehydes, etc. Common chemical disinfection methods include chlorination and ozonation. Chlorination is the most important method for removing the microorganisms. That is the chlorination process. It involves adding chlorine or a chlorine based compound to remove the harmful microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. Chlorine reacts with water to form hypochlorous acid. This acid is used for the strong disinfectant that damages cell walls and disturbs essential metabolic functions of microorganisms. The three forms of chlorines are chlorine gas, sodium hypochlorite and calcium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is the most commonly used chlorination process. Advantages of this chlorination process is most widely used disinfection method, that is the effective against a broad spectrum of microorganisms. The next method is the ozonation process, that is a water treatment process that uses only gases to disinfect and purify water by oxidizing and removing contaminants. It is a powerful technique that can eliminate bacteria, viruses and other harmful microorganisms. The unstable ozone gas generates reactive oxygen radicals that chemically break down the contaminants in microorganisms. That is effectiveness depending on the factors like ozone dose, reaction time and pH value of the chemicals. This figure shows the ozonation process for water purification system. This figure shows the four processes. First one is the receiving wall and then coagulation and then sedimentation process. Final one is the filtration process. First we have to see the raw water supply going to the receiving wall. The receiving wall capture the raw water and then it goes to the coagulation formation. Coagulation means it removes the solid form of dust particles, that means clay, sand, etc. Then coagulation process is completed, we have to going for the sedimentation process. Coagulation and sedimentation both are in the same process, that removing the solid formation in the water supply. Then final goes through the filtration process. The filtration process is the final step for water purifying process. Then we have to get the pure water in home usages. This is the ozonation process. The advantages of this ozonation process is broad spectrum of pathogen removal, no chemical addition required, eliminates tastes and odors. Ozonation helps improve the water clarity. The next method is the physical method. Physical method, the most important method is the ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet radiation is the non-chemical disinfection process. It uses ultraviolet to remove the microorganism by damaging the DNA cells, making them unable to reproduce and cause infection. It is an effective method and also used for various reuse applications. This figure shows the UV radiation disinfection process. First we have to see the water inlet that going to the ultraviolet radiation process. Then we get the purification of water in the outlet formation. The advantages of this UV radiation formation is effective inactivation of microorganisms without adding any chemicals. That is environmentally friendly method. UV treatment is fast method and then cost effective method. Requires minimal amount of time and maintenance. Thank you.